Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to unblock website on Google Chrome in Windows 11. So for this we are going to be using NordVPN. You can download it using the link in the description below, so make sure to give it a try. Now let's just say you are trying to access a website on your Windows 11 and you cannot access it. You can see it is actually now loading, but usually let's just say it is not working or not just loading up. Let's just go to another link to show you. So here you can see basically it is going to be loading and loading and not going to be launching. So what you can do is simply use your handy dandy NordVPN extension, and you can simply connect to any of the supported region. And once you do that, I'm going to be going back. You can see it is not connecting, and once you connect your NordVPN from your extension over here, simply click on this quick connect option and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Once you do that, and if you try to access the site again, you can see it is now working. So you can log in by your phone number, enter in here your details, and just start with the site. So head over to the link in the description below to get access to NordVPN. Thank you so much for watching.